So guys, as you can see, we are going to the garden today. Actually, it's not the whole garden. Let's go and fix the garden. But actually, plants grow there fast, especially on the soil that I'm not tilting, or I'm just cleaning the soil, then plant the corn or beans, something like that, just like that. Unlike the other part of that garden that I'm tilting. That's why I tilt first the garden. It's like a garden. You tilt the soil, then plant the seed that you want to grow. But in the garden that I'm going today, it's not like that. Actually, the garden that is good to be tilt, the size is just small, because the garden that I'm talking about is hill, or the land is uphill. That's why only on its basement, or only the old abandoned rice field is the area where I'm tilting it. So guys, actually it is because we are in mountainous area, so every time we go to work on the farmers work here in our area, you will surely climb some steps, a hill, something like that. Actually, yesterday we went to nope, I think I'll say that on the other part.